McLaud. Today we're going to show you guys how to remove data cable for a printer head for the Epson 7890. So it's easy steps. You have to remove the dumper in order to get to the cable data cable. So you have 8 screws you have to remove, which is 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, which I've removed, and then 7. This is 7. The other 6 I already removed them, so it'll be a little bit easier process. But as you can see, it's 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 is 6, and this is 7. The one I just took out. And this is number 8. You don't need to remove these. That's fine. So you go on, you go like this. Like this, you pull it out, right? Okay, that's that. And then you have to remove these, which is 3 screws right here. 1, 2, and 3. I already removed them as well. But as you can see, it's 1, 2, and 3. And then we go right here on the sides. It has like a little clip. Clip it off, and on the other side as well. You clip it off, and this comes off, right? So up here, we have this as well. Up here, it's gonna click 1, 2, 1, 2. Good. You have inside, you have 2 more right here. So which is 1. Here we go. Take this up, and it goes up. And you're gonna remove this. There you go. Remove this, and you remove the dumper. Remove the dumper. Oh, it's okay. Then this is your data cable right here. It's right here. You see, for the printer head. So you remove 1 and 2, 1 and 2 on this side. You go on. You have to move this if you want to. There's 2 up here that are gonna be in your way, so you remove them. Always remember, okay? 1 and 2, so it could get out your way. That is this. That gets it out your way, right? Bam. And the other was for the data. Okay, it's right here. It's 1 and 2, so you have to remove those 2 as well, which is 1 and 2. You see those 2 on the bottom. Then we go over here. Same process over here. You get these out your way. You try to find a way to get them out your way. It's not that hard. And the data cable, it's right here. And I removed 1 and 2 from the bottom. 3, 4, carefully, just like that. Then you go on up. And there you have it. This is your data cable for your printer head. And the same way to install it, the same way. Same process. Thank you. I hope this video helps you guys out. Thank you very much.